Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to find the square root of this radicand 67 minus 12 root 7. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new content. And don't forget to share to your learning colleagues. So first of all, we are going to assume that the square root of 67 minus 12 root 7 is equal to the square root of a minus square root of b, for which a is greater than b, because we don't want the output to be negative. So the whole of this must be greater than this. And we have this minus because of this. If it was plus, we're going to attach plus to the other side. So now let us square both sides. If you square the left hand side, you're only going to be left with the radicand 67 minus 12 root 7. And the other side, you have the square root of a minus the square root of b whole squared. And you know we can expand this as the first term squared, that is square root of a squared, that will give us a. Then plus the second term squared, square root of b whole squared will give us b. Then minus, because of this minus, 2 times this. We have 2 times, because we are multiplying 2 square roots, we can take 1 square root and multiply the radicands. So we have square root of a b. Remember, this is 67 minus 12 root 7. So now we are going to relate the left and the right hand side. You can see the rational part here is just a plus b, and the rational part here is 67, which implies that a plus b is equal to 67. And the other part, which is negative 2 root ab, must be equal to negative 12 root 7. Negative 12 root 7. But we can further break this down in order to find AB. If you divide both sides by negative 2, we have the square root of AB to be equal to 6 root 7. We can square both sides, right? If you square the left hand side, you will be left with AB. Square the other side, 6 squared will be 36. Multiplied by square root of 7 squared is just 7. And AB finally is equal to 252 if you multiply this together. So now this is what we have. We have a plus b to be equal to 67 and a multiplied by b to be equal to 252. Now we are going to think of two numbers which, when we multiply them together, we get 252. And at the same time, when we add them together, we get 67. And the numbers are 63 and 4, right? So the two numbers, and I told you a must be greater than b. Therefore, this implies that a is equal to 63 and b is equal to 4. To find the solution, we are going to plug them here. Let me continue to the other side. Therefore, the solution would be square root of 63 minus square root of 4. We know 63 can be written as 9 multiplied by 7. So this is square root of 9 multiplied by 7 minus square root of 4 is 2. And square root of 9 is 3. So we can bring 3 outside. So this finally equal to 3 multiplied by square root of 7 minus 2. This is the square root of 67 minus 12 root 7. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.